Alexa, turn on switch 3. Alexa, turn on switch 2.
This device can be used to jumpstart a car and power televisions and lights etc. Through this idea, we can reduce pollution done through burning firewood and provide cheap and easy access to electricity in towns as well as rural areas. This device uses the Alexa application to receive wireless commands and outputs 220 volts AC as well as 12 volts DC. It also has a variable DC output and is also capable of recharging cell phones wirelessly. In order to turn this prototype into a consumable product, we only need good packing facilities and a circuit board. Upon careful reflections of the cost of making this prototype, I calculated the total monetary funding needed to scale this prototype to a consumable product to 75 million RTGS. With this amount, I'm looking forward to creating an application much better than Alexa app and as well as increase its storage capacity, which will increase its functionality.